This is the JRL Onyx SF Pro Shaver. So I picked this one up. I bought it from the beauty supply store up the street from where I live. But I ended up getting this one because it was a little bit different than the other shaver. So I was looking for a newer shaver. I've been working with my good old Andis shaver. It's been doing a good job. But then I got to try one from a different conference I went to. Regardless, the JRL Pro Shaver, it's got a lot of magnetic pieces that I kind of like. So it's a one blade shaver, but it's a thick one blade shaver. So I like that because it's kind of a nice balance between those like Uno, those like single blade shavers where you only get one. But this one's like a big one blade shaver. So I kind of like that. And then I opened it up. I popped the cap while I was there to see what the internals look like. It is rotary. So that's really what got me, the fact that it's a rotary shaver. And this part is also magnetic. So it repels it a little bit, right? It repels that, you can see. And when you snap this back in, this is how it sounds. So I noticed that this was way quieter than my other shaver. And that's what I'm looking for. I've been going for a little bit of a nicer aesthetic as far as the sound quality. And this does a pretty good job. So this is hair that I just hit with the trimmer. That rotary motor gives it a little bit more torque than this other motor. So that's really why I like it. So it's got this little button. But these are the ones that kind of, they wiggle. I don't know how to describe it better than that, but they kind of wiggle back and forth. But this one has the spinning part. So it gives it, in my opinion, I think it gives it a little bit more torque. Like it's quieter, but the way that the blade is moving is a little bit more powerful.
So I feel like it's doing the same job here, but it doesn't sound like the motor is going as crazy as some of those other shavers that we've heard. Some of those classic style shavers that go back and forth. Even here, where we're laying the waves down, I feel like it's doing just as good of a job. So I tried to hit, the main areas that I normally do with the shaver. So that's waves, baldies, and tapers and fades.
So I went ahead and picked this one up. This is magnetic, like I said, and I like that. It feels a little bit, it's still plastic, but it's well put together, in my opinion. So I spent my own money on this, and this is the one I went with for the next step here. And that's why I like it, mostly because of the rotary motor. I've never seen that on a shaver before, and that's the one I picked up. So if you like it, if this helps you decide on whichever shaver you'll get, it'll be great if you use my link in the bottom to pick it up. It just goes to Amazon. I'd like to just be fully transparent. So yeah, I like this one a lot. Let me know what you think.